Okay, welcome again to Learn Khmer language, and today we learn about grammar, and we continue to learn about negative sentence, and today we only focus on present tense. ចាសសូមស្វាគមន៍ម្ដងទៀតក្នុងការរៀនភាសាខ្មែរដែលមេរៀនសម្រាប់ថ្ងៃនេះយើងនឹងរៀនអំពីប្រយោគបដិសេធហើយយើងគឺផ្ដោតតែទៅលើក្នុងទម្រង់បច្ចុប្បន្នកាលតែប៉ុណ្ណោះ Before we learn to make negative sentence, first we should know the negative word in Khmer. ចាមុននឹងរៀនតែងប្រយោគបដិសេធយើងមកស្គាល់ពាក្យបដិសេធជាមុនសិន For the negative word, I divide into 3 ways. The first, for general verb, we use mình te or at te. And the second condition, for verb to be, we use mình men chia te or mình men te. And note that in this condition, we cannot use at to replace men, so we cannot say at man, but we only say men man. And the third condition, for verb to have, we use men mien or at mien. And one more is Khmer. And note that the word te is optional. You can use or not use, both are right. Yes, and for the location of the negative word is after subject but before verb, and its form is subject plus negative words plus verb plus object, and we put the word te at the end of sentence, and the word te is optional. Okay, and here is the example of each condition that you already know. We have 3 conditions. The first condition, for general verb, we use mình te or at te. Both ways are right. For example, you want to say I don't like coffee. In Khmer language, you can say ខ្ញុំមិនចូលចិត្តកាហ្វេទេ or ខ្ញុំអត់ចូលចិត្តកាហ្វេទេ And please note that the word mình or at we put after subject but before verb, as you can see in this sentence, and we put the word te at the end of sentence, and it's optional. You can put or don't put, both are right. Yes, and here is the second condition that we use with verb to be. So for verb to be, we use the negative word mình men chia or mình men te. For example, I am not a student. We can say ខ្ញុំមិនមែនជាសិស្សទេ or we can say ខ្ញុំមិនមែនសិស្សទេ For the third condition, we use with verb to have, we use the negative word mình mien or at mien or khmien te. So, for example, if you want to say I don't have money, we can say ខ្ញុំមិនមានលុយទេ or you can say ខ្ញុំអត់មានលុយទេ or you can say ខ្ញុំគ្មានលុយទេ Okay, for the lesson for negative sentence or present tense is finished, and here is the exercise for you. Please make 3 negative sentences by use your own word. And here is the next lesson for us. We will continue to learn about how to make question sentence, and then we will continue to learn how to make past, present, future tense in Khmer language. Okay, see you in the next lesson. Yes, thanks for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel.